Hello and welcome to My STEM Kits. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access our virtual STEM kits. First thing you need to do is go to www.mystemkits.com and log into your account. Once you've logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard. And the easiest way to get to the virtual kits is simply by going into Browse Kits on the sidebar. You'll find the very first kit is instructions on how to use the virtual STEM kits. So feel free to refer back to that at any point you have questions. But to find all of the kits themselves that have virtual simulations, simply type virtual into the search bar at the top. This will then provide you a list of all of the kits that have these virtual simulations. So find a kit you're interested in and click on the picture to go to the kit page. On the kit page, you'll find the subjects, strands, grades, and even lesson plans that are aligned to this specific kit. And most of the lesson plans can be done using the virtual simulation or the 3D printed manipulative. So at the top of the page where it says locked, click on that and then verify that you would like to unlock the kit you are in. Once you do that, you'll not only be able to download all of the lesson plans and start 3D printing the kit, you now have access to the simulation as well. For many of our kits, we have multiple modes available to you. So for this catapult kit, I can either have the students generate coordinate data for where the projectile lands, or distance data, depending on the activity I'm doing with them. Once you've selected the mode you want to use, click on the name and it will open the simulation in a new tab. Each of the virtual STEM kits includes an instruction page. Once you've read through them, click Start. Now the simulation might still be loading, so please be patient as it loads the fun. Once it's loaded, not only can you start experimenting with it to see all of the different things the simulation can do, you also then need to get this to your students. So to do that, you simply need to copy this link that's at the very top. So select it and hit Control-C to copy it to your keyboard. Then you can simply email it out so your students can then take that very same link, open it up on their computers, and enter the same simulation. Now keep in mind, these links are only good for 24 hours, so you have to send them out the day of the activity. Once they do that, you can go through all of the same lesson plans that you would, whether you're using the 3D printed one or the virtual STEM kit.